We welcome you to Oakland, California, where doubleheader Sunday on CBS continues with the Cincinnati Bengals paying a visit to the Oakland Raiders. The Raiders very much in the conversation for the AFC playoff picture, and rightly so. They have won 2 straight. Meanwhile, the Cincinnati Bengals chasing their first win of the season.
What's up with it, baby? Hey, we back in this thing, man. First time, it's gonna be a great time today. Hey, one thing I ask y'all boys to play this thing like it's your last play, dog. Cause you'll never know. Hey, we blessed to be in these shoes. So let's go out here and be dogs. Let's be dogs today. Dogs on 3. 1, 2, 3, dogs.
Raider Nation, let's get one. Let's keep it going.
It's time for it, man. We're gonna have a great day today, man. Beautiful day, man. Sun shining bright, good old Cali weather. Like they say, you can taste the apple. You can taste the apple. We're gonna taste the victory today, though.
Let's get it, man. Bring it up. Let's go together, all right? Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Finley under pressure, got hit from behind, and the ball is loose inside the 30-yard line. Maurice Hurst picks up the loose ball.
Mad Max Crosby does it again. Up underneath center now is Carr. Carr is going to throw it. Drops it wide open, touchdown, touchdown! Foster Moreau's 4th touchdown catch of the season. A very well schemed play. He broke open. The Bengals had no idea how to.
Hey! That don't happen without y'all. That don't happen without y'all.
So it'll be 1st down and 10. Coming over to the right side. Got Gash out for a 1st down. 10-yard gain. Here's your 3rd down from the 3-yard line. Carr is going to throw it. Steps up. Can't find anybody open. He's going to run with it. Stay on his feet. He's got open. Dive in zone. Touchdown Raiders. What a move by Derek Carr. His 2nd rushing touchdown ever. Oh my. He went airborne.
You got to be serious. Way to extend the play. You know I love that. Nice job, man. I got smoked.
Let's get it.
Not right it. Not right it.
3rd and 10 has been good for the Bengals this season. Finley with time, now going to run it, not going to get very far. Dragged down at the 45-yard line by Dion Jordan. Third and 7. Finley under pressure, goes down at the 10-yard line. Max Crosby, the rookie out of Eastern Michigan.
Hey, whenever they're trying to hold off on the 3 technique, his shoulder can't help but be soft. Do exactly what you did. Now, he's going to start kicking back. He can't be right. He kick back, you fall up underneath Dion.
They got no timeouts, bro. Sack ends the drive.
From the 20. Finley trying to spin out of trouble, goes down.
Mad Max all over him, baby.
He has been fierce today.
Mad Max gets down in his stance, sees if he can get there again. Finley back to the 2, flushed out of the pocket. In a run, Mad Max trying to get at him. He'll fire the ball, and it is intercepted. Wrestling forward is Trayvon Mullen. Yes, sir. 2 rookies come up huge. How about this rookie class with the Raiders?
Oh, it felt great, man. Wanted to know today. I knew it was a good win, man. I'm glad we ended it on defense, man. That's how you build great defense, man. Black hole was amazing. I appreciate it.
Hey, good win, y'all. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey, Raiders on 3, Raiders on me. 1, 2, 3.